Over the last few years, plant-based milk has become a popular drink for parents and also to give to their kids as a healthy option. But new research suggests they might be better off avoiding it when it comes to their kids. Major new beverage guidelines for children up to 5 years of age have just been released following a collaboration of major health organizations. And, this is one of those things where everyone nowadays is trying to ask the question, what is the best milk to drink? What is the best milk for kids? Here to help shed some light on this topic is pediatrician Dr. Dafna Ahdoot. Welcome back, Dr. Ahdoot.
Thank you for having me.
Good to see you.
So break down these guidelines for us if you could.
Yeah, definitely. These are the new set of recommendations about beverage consumption. So it's okay to do plant-based milk. I mean, there's a lot of medical conditions that actually don't allow the kids to take dairy milk. So if they're allergic to the milk protein, then they definitely can't have milk. If they're lactose intolerant, and then that's when I say, okay, you can have soy milk right now. So if you do soy milk, you want to do it organic. And you want to make sure that it's fortified. You can even do almond milk. As long as these plant-based milks are fortified with the nutrients that whole milk has, then it's okay. The major kind of takeaway I tell my parents and patients, you want to make sure there's no additives like gums, too much sugar, any other things like thickeners, because these are no good. They're actually, some of them are found to be carcinogenic, especially in rice milk, so you want to stay
you're
away.
recommending more organic versions for kids. And I think, look, we always talk about organic or not organic. I mean, when it comes to your child's nutrition, I think you want to be avoiding as many of these adulterants as possible.
Is there a preferred plant-based milk, and which nutrients specifically should they be looking for?
Yeah, so soy milk is the go-to we go for if the kid has milk protein allergy, for example. You just want to make sure that is organic. And the reason for that is that some soybeans are contaminated with some weed killer. So when you choose soy milk, just make sure it's organic. So that's the one, and almond milk as well.
And the specific nutrients to look for?
So the nutrients that we are adding into it is calcium, vitamin D, magnesium, phosphorus. These are the nutrients that these plant-based milks don't have. I mean, they're full of protein, but they don't have these other vitamins. So it's important to look at those and make sure they're in there.
And I think the important takeaway for a parent here is if you're going to try something with your child, make sure your pediatrician is on board, because with a lot of adults, adults may go and maybe they just decide to become vegan. And we know that you need to supplement certain nutrients. And with kids as well, you need to have this discussion with the pediatrician to make sure your kid's getting every single nutrient while avoiding these adulterants and chemicals that we know aren't good for a child.